Hey everyone, so if you want to create a professional resume using Kickresume, yeah, this tool makes everything super easy, even if you've never built a CV before. I'll show you step by step how to create your resume from scratch. First, go to Kickresume and sign up using your email or Google account. Once you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. Now click on Create Resume or New Resume to start building your CV. Next, choose a resume template. Pick a clean and professional design that matches the job you're applying for. Now enter your basic details like your name, email, phone number, and location. Keep everything simple and professional. Next, write a short, professional summary describing your skills, experience, and what kind of job you're looking for. Now add your work experience. Include your job title, company name, dates, and key achievements in bullet points. Next, add your education and skills. Focus on skills that match the job you're applying for. Kickresume also offers AI suggestions to help you write better summaries and bullet points if you need extra help. Before finishing, review your resume carefully and customize the design to make sure everything looks clean and professional. Finally, download your resume as a PDF or share it online. Some features may require a paid plan, and that's it. Now you know how to create a professional resume on Kickresume step by step.